Thursday, February 18th, 2016. And on top of as they hot, as we do them every Thursday, we dey call them the day where we say we dey set up parliament. That is to say, as soon as we start the program, we go just throw the phone lines open, sharp, sharp, make you chook mouth inside the topic where we carry come. Today, now basically about solutions, and no problems. My name na Ezo Gochokwote, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu well as they concern the political matter as it hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful viewers. We don't carry as they hot. Come again. That program where they at least informate they at least they give now up-to-date information on what they happen around our political world. Today will not go different because today's subject anyway, just as you could talk, now solution will they find because now very disturbing matter. Very, very disturbing. We call for serious attention because you be like say over time we don't see this thing they happen. You be like we just they somehow know they talk about or rather make we say our government they neglect everything they happen. And now we will go look into today and then we'll also open our phone lines so that our viewers go feed with and also contribute, provide their own solution on top of today's matter so that we go feed know as we will take and collectively move this country forward. My name never change. My name is Nankubi. And this now as it hot.
The topic where we carry come today gets to do with something when we say a lot of people they call them social vice for inside our country. And people don't they look for a solution to this particular problem. But it be like say somehow we not take it serious. And the thing don't become cankerworm when don't chop deep enter into the fabric of our society. Because right about now, it can't be like say it can't trickle down the entire inside primary school. Make everybody calm down, make I drop the topic. Today, we will discuss about the problem of cultism. The problem of cultism. I get to talk the topic back to back because I want to make the thing sink, make everybody understand. Because now solutions now we define. Over the weekend for inside River State, you get one sad news when come out. People see video, people see pictures of some kind young people when we say them talk, say some kind cult guys, bad guys, enter inside their community, come by people. He gets some photos when we say, you know, go vex, but make I describe and make everybody understand. Then cut the head, carry the thing, go. The commissioner of police for Edo State, self don't raise alarm because he talk say, hey, say this matter of cultism, not be only for universities, the thing there now. Say even carpenter, mechanic, vulcanizer, just anyhow person, they go just decide, say, okay, oh, for this area when we dey, so we want form group, and this group won't form, now bad group. Anybody will know they are a group, or anybody will see as threat, we go deal with them. And in context, say, in greatest fear now, because of, say, the thing on they trickle down, enter inside primary school, because you got primary school children when we say, now, they don't even come, they carry their shoulder up, say, if teacher even talk to me anyhow, I go deal with them. We want to make Nigerians call. Talk about the problems when they face for the matter of cultism and provide solution so that those when go lead this country and parents and we as Nigerians go here take the necessary action because if we not do well today, the thing will cause bigger problems tomorrow.
Chukudi, just as they talk, would they try avoid subsequent crises because the issue of cultism not be today start. That's what we say. I don't hear about them for it don't take even under the last administration of River State for after the reign of Oga Peter Odili. Even that same period, we were hearing cases of say factions, court they fight court and all that. I can't ask say okay, waiting be the whole essence of say they fight. Waiting bring in court group in the first place. If not because of maybe differences. Even in the first place, why you go sit down? Say okay, make we form this particular group. The whole essence of this group now to just do it in to the cause wahala, to the cause anybody we go against what we wish for. We go do it. We go find we commode the person from road and all that. These are disturbing situations where we say we as the country we know they're proud of. And the issue we say call they trickle down to even younger kids. Waiting with some of the tools they plant now. Now for them to do it to they at least initiate small picking them. Just as you use Edo State take the example, to initiate small picking them into the factions so that at least the moment they grow, it gets stage where they go grow, they will get delivered to say, okay, the same level where our adults don't reach. Make ourselves they carry out and that level of mayhem and the crisis where they carry out. These are disturbing issues where we say we need to, if we not stop them now, if I will not find solution to them now.
It go there very, very serious. And it go good make we give the historical background of, say, cultism. And make we call it like that. Now, when the thing come rear in ugly head inside Obodo, Nigeria. And for 1952, a prominent professor emeritus and Nobel laureate for this world, Professor Wole Soyinka, and 6 other people, then form the Pirates Confraternity, when today people they call Sea Dogs. They been talk and say the reason why they form them that time when they did the University College of London for Ibadan, now to create people when we say some kind of things when they inside society, say you get money, you don't use them oppress people, you get power, you don't use them chance people, you be lecturer, you don't use them fair people, say they fight against them. And they talk say the thing they open, that time make everybody do them. But now he don't change, he don't spoil. I don't know whether the thing good, that 1952, but the way when the thing there now, that's something when we say we not supposed to even encourage at all. And if we go check some of the problems when don't rise from cultism, assassination, rape, political thuggery, illegal possession of arms, every kind of bad thing when you fit talk, the thing don't they come out. But the greatest fear now no be just the insecurity when it's in the cause for the country. Now the fear when we say senior man for police don't raise, say it be like say this thing don't they enter inside primary school. Oh. Now we won't ask say where this thing take go wrong, where we say it start for our society, we can't leave and make the thing bad. Who be the people when we say that they sponsor am? Because now people go buy gun, give them. Now people go tell them, say, okay, oh, this person is my enemy, go buy am. Why young people go their society, they feel, say, if I know they this particular court, I know they safe. Why people go their court, just feel like, say, man, this court when I did, now there the whole power day. Wetin be the role of parents to use ensure, say, they go train pikin well. Wetin be the responsibility of pikin? Because if parents train you and you decide, say, you won't get coconut head, say the thing no go enter, now your own problem be that. We want a proper solution to this problem so that little by little we go solve them. So that we don't go come here in a few years' time, come they discuss, say, the people when they primary school today, it be like say they don't grow, don't become cultists. Not be just to talk, not to provide solution. Now why would they drop this matter? As it dey hurt.
And that thing we say, you just mentioned them where it takes start, and then we even come with particular emphasis on River State where we say just be like not there the heavyweight of this thing and they very very heavy pass. But maybe we also look and say the issue of cultism at this point in time, it don't go round. Chukwudi said something about Edo State. If you don't come out from adulthood, don't enter primary school. Now, serious matter. Down and Fedo. We also bring in Bayelsa. Bayelsa also get their own case. Not to talk of Lagos, where they inside.
Everywhere.
Virtually everywhere.
Rivers, Bayelsa, Edo, Osogbo, Kwara, Ebonyi, everywhere.
Virtually everywhere. And for us to have this high level of decency, if I would rather put it that way, for virtually all our society, or rather all our state, then waiting we don't they do, waiting our leaders don't they do to ensure say at least they contain them. And that will go also into there are states where we say this don't they so high to the point where we say at least state government on their own part, because this thing they happen before their eye. State government on their own part go do it. Suppose don't take drastic measures to say okay, this is what be the problem of these people, or rather waiting they cause them for you to say one joint court. That address those key fundamental issues so that at least they will know say yes, somehow they don't feel contained. If now unemployment be the major issue, make you address that. If now because of say lack of indiscipline, say they no raise picking well, make now find solution. If now because of say okay, say probably because of the societal norms as society take can be, now society they give room for. Me now address the issue of the society. These are key elements, key issues that we need to look and also ensure say at least this matter we contain them for good.
Very, very true. Unkubi, all these ones where you don't identify and say, if we want find solution to this problem, you don't be very, very glaring say, no be just to just lay the blame for the full step of one person. Because most times if we discuss issues for this country, we will talk about say, what in government don't do, what in government go do, but we don't see say to find solution and lasting solution to our problems. I go speak English, Unkubi, no verse, because I know say the thing go hard. It is all encompassing.
It no go hard for me because I understand all encompassing. I understand that part. Go ahead. No, they tell me say it go hard for me to understand the English way you speak. I understand every bit of what they through here. So now I'm just considering our viewers where we say they no go this level of English really normally drop down, they no go understand that. Now them are they consider not my humble self. Not my humble self. So right on.
You see, the Bible even talk and say, no sleep for the wicked.
Now you be the wicked if that is what you're trying to say. What have I said? No sleep for you.
Why is your conscience pricking you now?
No sleep for you.
No, why is your conscience pricking you now?
Say I understand.
Say we bring topic when we don't discuss now. I say I want to use English, describe the solution to the problem. Because you always complain and say, if I speak English, I speak English. Why have you derailed?
The English way this. You say.
Why have you derailed?
Derate from waiting.
From the thing when we dey talk. We me and you dey talk the same way, the same direction.
Listen,
because I don't say all
we are still on the same track. That same track we dey talk about.
Me and you never dey any track.
But because of say you talk say make I why go look me finish?
You are on a bush path. You are on a bush path.
You will be on a bush path. Why go look me finish? Say make I no vex because of the English you won't speak.
Because you always dey complain that they speak English.
Yes, because consider the viewers when do they understand them.
Okay, we don't agree. Say any English when I speak, you understand, Abi?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
But no. But then any English, maybe the one we know the dictionary. If not the one we know the dictionary, forget it.
Okay, thank you very much.
We need to break it down.
Cultism is a social caligolegory in Nigeria. It dey come with plenty things: assassination, armed robbery. In fact, we need to find a lasting and permanent solution to the vice.
Now the kind times when some people use, they confuse us with this. Now you don't they bring in.
You see,
go ahead.
You see, social caligolegory. Now you don't understand. Social caligolegory.
At least it's a good thing we will get viewers who go call. I go ask them what that thing mean.
No ask anybody. We they ask people for solution to problem. You they ask them what you mean. What do you mean? If you want, why not go enroll for night class? If you want learn BB grammar. At least the one for near Cameroon border where you dey stay, make you go enroll for night class. I say something na all if you want find solution na all encompassing. That is to say everybody na go dey involved. You just run pick am the verse. Yesterday I say vox populi, vox dei, voice of the people, voice of God. You dey complain. Jete you catch a monkey. You dey complain. Which language you want me to speak here? Which language you want me to speak here? Now my voice I say I dey travel. Now my voice I dey read. Me and you dey talk about something when Nigerians don't. I dey very sure say people don't provide solutions for. We dey identify the problem. You just run derail. You just run. I carry head the enter inside bush.
You know why they pity you?
You can't pity me.
I don't look your
if
body.
If I start with you, your neighbors for Ikorodu go call now.
I don't look you finish.
They go call. They appeal on your behalf.
Finish. Look you. I don't know where I go touch for your body.
Where you want touch?
I don't know where I go beat for your body.
Where you want beat?
Because I just consider your height. Because by the time I will handle you, deal with you, Chukwudi. Maybe now swap, we go swap eventually.
Hi. You go handle me, deal with me.
Just go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Not be Old Testament with this. So.
No, Chukwudi, go ahead.
Not be Old Testament.
I don't give you my warning. Now my warning, I just give you serious, and I did very, very serious about that. I don't give you my warning.
Okay,
and
no
the last warning, the last.
Okay, no verse. More continue. More give examples of why we they complain now. Say this particular issue a serious problem for inside our country. They talk say for inside Baptist High School for Gbodofon for inside Oshogbo for Osun State, 26 students. They expel them to expel not to pursue person. They expel them for cult-related activities. High school children, 26.
Secondary school children.
Secondary school, 26.
When we say within the range of 12 to 18 years, at least 12 to 15, 18 years. 90 people day cultism. 26. They pursue them for cult-related activities. The same thing. If you spread out, the same thing Ebonyi, the same thing Kwara, the same thing Bayelsa, the same thing Rivers. It can't be like say if people not join this kind of bad organizations, they never belong.
They never belong.
As if now that place the whole life day. I mean, it is disturbing, really.
Very disturbing.
You know why it is disturbing? Because the people, the primary target, the primary people who this thing they affect, or rather the victims of this thing, now the people where their own children will look up to tomorrow. If at this stage in our society, we don't get young people where we say they don't identify with cultism, which kind of legacy they won't put down for their own children who will grow up?
Very
because
true.
they go down, a lot of them go down carry out one kind death each case. They go down kill.
Thank you.
Only their own children can't grow. Which kind of legacy they won't put for them? So okay, see the way I live my own life.
Very, very
we
true.
get Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi call us from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Kubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Chukwudi, I agree with you, sir.
Thank you very much. I'm afraid because this present crop of students or school pupils are the future leaders of this country.
Yes, yes.
And with this trend, are we sure in the next 100 years there will be a state, there will be a country like Nigeria? Because how can you hand over to these rooks, to these rascals? You see, I cannot insulate parents from this whole problem. Parents are, to my mind, substantially contributing to this present quagmire. You know why? Why? Can you imagine a parent buying a telephone of less than 30,000 to a primary school 6 children to go to school and start browsing? And you know, the internet is free. There are a lot of things you learn from there.
Exactly.
Both the bad ones and the good ones.
True.
By the time you buy these phones and give your small children, and you know, children are very sensitive when they
Very,
are
very
small.
sensitive, yeah.
At any point in time, they condition their mind on anything. As they grow, it will hardly take them time to come back from that thing. And these are the time you need to redirect them, focus them, prepare them for tomorrow. So by the time you hand them these phones, now in the name of so that you keep in touch with me, you call me when you have problems, you buy them phones that they can access the internet free. And they learn a lot of things. You know, children, they won't want to browse to learn. They will browse to, you know, see porn pictures and those movies gone and everything. So how do we now shape them for tomorrow? So parents are, to my mind, substantially assisting these
Contributing
people
to this as
join
well.
this cultism. And then the government should also help. You know, if the teacher is well taken care of, he will not be in a position to look after the children handed over to him by the parents.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much. You don't talk, say parents, they get plenty role to play. You express your fear, say, the children when they this age, now them be the leaders of tomorrow. And if you be say this thing don't spoil like this, now be say our tomorrow,
We
you
no
get
go
the way
know
the
as it
thing
go
go dey. We get Kate, when they call us all the way from Makurdi to provide solution to this problem of cultism. Kate, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Kate. Hi, Kate. Hi. I bet we go tell you to, I bet try call us back because I know see they call us for the first time probably. I bet try call us back and we also hear your contribution on top of this thing. So Chukwudi, you don't hear what your namesake talk, Oga Chukwudi.
It makes sense. It makes sense. Chukwudi always they make sense.
I know no better than try talk.
But you don't. Okay.
I say Chukwudi on namesake.
You dey try to say no, they make sense.
No. Wait, me.
No, you dey try to say no, they make sense.
Make I talk now.
Why you dey fear now? Why
Make I talk now.
Why you dey fear? Why you dey fear?
As I try address what Oga Chukwudi talk. What's the meaning of all this now?
Okay, continue. Sorry.
Because you dey bear Chukwudi.
Sorry. Okay.
No what else for on top of your name again.
Okay, sorry. Continue.
Chukwudi that color is different from your own Chukwudi.
But a Chukwudi is a Chukwudi. Two of us.
No, it's a look, not big fallacy, big lie.
A Chukwudi is a Chukwudi.
It's a big lie. Chukwudi, this one, Chukwudi, you know even anyway. Oga Emeka, they call us. Good morning, Oga Emeka,
Yeah.
calling us from Makurdi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good
Talk to
morning,
us.
Chukwudi.
Good morning,
But
Oga Emeka.
At the hello now for studio.
We dey hear you too.
Thank you very much.
This problem where even they talk about now something where man, if you can't check the history, it don't over us like for over 60 years now. I know say this thing don't start and it don't be for over 60 years. And now we come to proper solution for a problem of 60 years here to Nigeria. Because that's something where they say a stick in time saves
Saves
now.
nine, yeah.
That's what
Thank
they
you.
talk about. So it's not something where they for identify way back, maybe now.
So, Oga
Before they
Emeka,
identify the
as we don't
solution.
identify this problem now, how we go take free solve am so that the
You
whole
no go-
problems
you no
wey
go
don dey
beyond-
since, we go stop am now so that we
For
no
us
get
not to
another
be able to
60 years
control.
of wahala inside our
But
country.
You need a whole educational reform.
Thank you.
A very huge tax. A whole educational reform. A whole structural reform. A whole mindset of reform. This kind of huge tax. This thing is something where
like something of the family.
now huge tax. Now huge tax where we got. Now the whole body, as in the 170 million people.
Now then go
that survive
collectively-
this tax.
Yes.
So,
Thank-
Oga Emeka, if we dey talk about reforms now, how you take things say little by little, we fit start from somewhere. Wetin be the responsibility of maybe parents, government, and even the society?
Responsibility of parents na small thing.
Okay.
You know, say na because of bully wey make man stubborn head.
Uh-huh.
From our parents alone, where they flog us, they beat us anyhow, they make us dey stubborn to some kind. We dey prone to some kind mental pain. So those kind of things, when you carry and go meet people who dey the same clique with you, you guys blend with them. You guys come dey reason with them. Now from home we got tell parents that they know particular things they supposed to tell their children before they come up for school.
Oga Emeka, thank you very much. You
much.
don identify one particular problem and how we go take fit solve am. say if parents wan put up mechanisms in place when they go use dey correct children, no be just to dey beat
All the time,
anyhow.
yes.
They suppose get medium wey be say they go let the pikin know say we love you, we wan correct you so that you no go bad. We get Chabu all the way from Warri. Oga Chabu, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Now, good morning.
Good
We dey
morning,
greet
Chabu.
you.
Shugudi, good morning.
I greet you especially.
Good morning. This court issue, all these children now, there's nothing now, these children, they want live their own life. And they want form of on their own now. You see small children, they use people with the papa feed by. And the parents go just quiet. You see children go carry money, come and call the parents. Parents don't go answer, say, I did get money. They will see collect the money shop. Now these children, now Yahoo, they want to enter everything. You know, this life, you know, now these children, they will say they no pass papa. Papa no if they control them. But once they pay me, why you go born pikin, no if you control your pikin?
Because everything still come from home. Everything, if you dey talk about raising a child, na at least now still from home you go start from.
Yes, now. Your own pikin wey you born, you know if you control am.
Oga Chabu, if parents dey teach pikin and the pikin is stubborn when we say you no wan learn because you no go force the thing enter inside the head of the pikin. And like wetin our previous caller don talk, no be to beat pikin to force am to learn. How you take think say parents go fit let the pikin maybe with love and some other ways let the pikin know say e dey important to learn.
The only solution when you born your pikin from when the pikin dey 5 years, carry the pikin dey show am care, dey show am love, carry am go church every time when they go church. When they go church every day, go they hear the word of God. When they hear the word of God, when they grow up, go they grow up with the word of God. So they fear to do wrong thing, go they fear to do wrong. Not be about to beat pikin. You beat pikin, they make the pikin the worst. So the only way you go to carry the pikin, they go church. When you can't go church, you go to hear the word of God. They grow up. I hear the word of God go to enter your head. But by the time you know can't go church, now just to allow they watch all this worldly film for
Very
TV.
true.
But they allow they watch African Magic. They allow they watch
But
anything.
Oga Chabu,
thank you very much for this your
for
important
that,
contribution. And as you don talk about church now, make we no just carry and go church. Now we talk
Exactly.
about say our religious institutions, wetin dem fit do to impact that fear of God, whether Christian, Muslim or African traditional religion, into the mind of pikin. We get Ruben all the way from Makurdi. Makurdi people be like say, and they wan take over parliament this morning. Oga Ruben, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ruben.
Good morning.
Good
We dey
morning.
greet you.
Good morning, Kobe and Chukudi.
We greet
Good
you,
morning,
Oga
Oga
Ruben.
Ruben. We dey hear you.
Like the topic you people introduced today.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Uh,
I better
This
contribute
issue of
today.
course- This issue of courtesy down to the primary school, it is now issue where they press us. Yes. The issue is between the teacher and the parent.
Teacher and parent, you don identify them, oh yeah.
The two of them and the teacher have a very vital role, very important
To
role
play.
to play for this matter. The child stay with the teacher from morning to afternoon. The parent have little time to spend with the child. But the parent got contribute. They understand
We
me.
dey hear, we dey hear.
The parents got contribute. The teacher they monitor the waka of the pikin.
Pikin, yes.
So as in the monitor, if the pikin come start to carry waka, the teacher go call the papa or the mama say, come, oh, I don't understand your pikin again. Now the kind waka wey your pikin dey understand the waka be this. The papa or the mama now go dey monitor the pikin for house again. So this courtesan of 18, as una dey talk say e dey primary school, na true say e don come down to primary school level. And no be good thing.
At all.
E no good. As you dey do this thing wey you dey fight people, e no dey pay you.
Exactly.
You no dey carry your name go anywhere. They no even sabi you.
Very true. Oga Ruben, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don identify say e go take collaboration between parents and teachers
relationship, yes.
to work together to ensure say the pikin dem train am well, whether e dey school, whether e dey house. We get Gandhi all the way from Port Harcourt. Oga Gandhi, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Gandhi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Will they hear you? Right on, right on.
Okay. Actually, this court of issue is getting out of hand. I can still remember when I was in secondary school, even teachers are involved.
Even
You
teachers
say-
are involved.
I
For
can
Rivers
say even
State?
teachers. Yeah.
Oga
They are
Gandhi, you
involved.
say, Oga Gandhi, make we dey clear. You say, you remember say when you did secondary school, even teachers
Yes.
were involved.
Teachers, they are involved.
Secondary school. Continue.
So, this issue of courtesan, to fight it in Nigeria as in, I don't even know how to start. Because even soldiers, they are all involved. They are involved. Some things that to cause these courtesans depend on the environment. The environment is as in where you grow up. So, issue of fighting courtesans, they may fight it in other things, but the issue of fighting it in Nigeria is going to be I don't even know.
Oga Gandhi,
But
Oga Gandhi, why you think say
Yeah.
to fight cultism for Niger Delta go dey even more difficult? Wetin happen?
Because what I'm seeing now, as what I'm seeing about courtesan is as in I can't stay.
But
I can't
Oga Gandhi, even as much as the something don't do this stuff for this side of the region, but at least there are key things where we go feel to say, okay, if we bring in this thing, we go feel find solution to them.
So on my own, my solution that I'm going to find is for courtesan. If you have any younger one, you can advise them say, do not do this. But as for those who are involved, sir, I'm telling you, it's not difficult to do that. As far as now, but what I'm seeing now, in some local government, you don't see some boys, just a small boy carrying gun, walking up and down. Security like that, they will not even say anything. Their hands are tied, they will not even say anything.
Oga Gandhi, this one wey you don identify na very very serious problem, and we believe say for you to don reach the level wey be say fear don even catch you, you just look am say man, e be like say the thing don reach the level wey be say na to go start back from the younger generation now. They teach them say this thing wey these people don do now, the thing dey very very bad.
Yes.
Na im be say problem dey, and I think say we go get.
The way it's increasing more and more. It's increasing more and more. Can you imagine? They will just come openly. They just come openly and do anything in their life. For it to be there, they will not even say anything because they know that they will not even say anything. So, if truly Nigeria want to fight courtesan, they should start from River State. It's getting more bad in this area. Sir.
Okay, Gandhi, we don't thank you very much, Oga Gandhi, for your contribution. You don't because since they call from a region where they highly affected by this same issue, and then we can't suggest say at least make them do it make the addresser the way they're supposed to address her. At least we don't get that part. We go also look into other areas, ways of which we go feel say okay, things where they cause this thing because it goes beyond the environment where you grow up. It goes beyond them parents raising their own children up well and all that. There are other things where we also need to look into where we feel address and very address true. For once. On this note, we'll do it very quickly. Go market, go drink water at least.
Akpabio from Akwa Ibom.
Okay, we get Akpabio. Akpabio, good morning.
Oga Akpabio, abeg, you no go vex. Abeg, just try call us back. Make you self-profile solution to this problem of cultism. We get Oga Okay from Calabar. Oga Okay, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Shopode.
Good morning,
Oga
okay.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Ankovi. How are you?
We dey fine.
All right. Hello.
We dey hear, we dey hear.
I make a shoot my back.
Feel free.
You see this issue of calls. The thing, don't worry because you know even there for the local again, even there for our government. Yes. I don't witness. I don't see. The state where I'm staying, if I never see, I don't see say if you don't belong to so place, no job for you. Yes, I'm telling you out of experience.
For inside Cross River.
Yes, of course. If you don't belong, no job for you, nothing for you. But they forget saying that the flat man might be the strongest man. When I did 10 years, I was brought up by my grandfather. He explained to me. He tell me, say, if you know say you be strong, if you believe to be strong man, you go always stay on your own. Nothing like courtesan or whatever. Now that time show say you be strong man. The thing, it really affect here. In fact, from primary school, this thing now, as I'm talking to you, it they hard to control. You go see primary students, they go dismiss, they go house. You will be seeing some certain signs from them, which you don't even shop many Christmas, don't even know, understand. So I believe we must start them from up there if you really want to fight it. About showing their own way they talk, say they're former to fight people where they fight them. No, they know exactly what it means then. And it they hard now for us to do it, carry out from the system. No leave God intervention. Now go see us through because waiting at they see today, my brother, no fit talk But I pray that good God will continue to all these our upcoming young ones. They'll not go emulate and follow the footsteps of these people now because the thing is much and it's getting out of hand here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You
just make your contribution. Can't even go spiritual. Say the way the thing don't be now based on what you they see. It be like say things they very very strong. Quickly we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back and we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with the problem of cultism inside of Bodo, Nigeria, and how we feel pursue them come up for inside this our country. No go anywhere now. Still as it hot. Will it come back?
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.